Okay, y'all. This chain has about had it. So this is a Craftsman S180 18-inch 42cc saw, given to me by a good friend. He was moving and he had no use for it, so he just gave it to me. You guys know I like my Husqvarna chainsaws, but this little saw for limbs and little small stuff works really good. So I went and bought a chain for it because I think I wore that one down as much as humanly possible, and I sharpened it a couple times. But a little saw like this, when you're trying to do something quick, and you need a little bit of power, and you don't want to carry around a big old heavy saw, this thing is perfect. It's not the 46cc that everybody has, but it does the job very well. I don't have my little compressor, so I can't clean it up as much as I really want to. But here's the new chain. A lot of people don't even know how to put these things on, but you just get it in there and make sure that the teeth are pointing the right direction. Make sure it's on the sprocket. Like I said, I feel bad I don't have my little air compressor, because I bought a little thing just to clean these out, but then you gotta make sure that your little adjustment thing goes in the hole. and it did. So now you just put that back on there a little bit, real loose like. Then you can tighten it up a little bit. Always pull that tip of that we gotta loosen it a little bit. Gotta make sure it's riding in that track. Alright, then you tighten it up a little bit. Still a little loose, so then you go in here and you tighten it down. Alright, that's good and tight. Then you tighten these down. When you start it, you don't want no problems. Hopefully I got enough fuel in here so I can crank it up and start it up for y'all. I got some little limb wood over here. I'm gonna try to uncover it so we can get a little test of this. Alright, once I get it started, I'm gonna test it on those little pieces of wood. It tells you exactly right here how to start it. A lot of people don't even flip the switch to the on position. Gotta let them saws warm up some, y'all. But I just want to test this chain out. Oops, I almost had a mistake there, y'all. Anyway, y'all get the point. got these two pieces of pine right here. I mean, it'll even do pretty good on this oak, I think.